Greeting of the day, students. Today through this video we are going to be discuss the concept of class 8th, and the name of the chapter is Education and British Rule. When Britishers control almost our whole country, afterward they have another motive to make Indian people civilized, because Britishers believed that Indian people were uncivilized, and as a head it was their duty to make them civilized, and for that they adopted a one method that was called education. They introduced Western education in our country to make Indian people civilized. Before discussing about the Western education, let us put some light on the education system which was used by the Indian people before the arrival of the Britishers. Now we have the concept education in pre-British time. The first point we have, the education system was flexible. It's mean the education was very flexible when Britishers was not controlling our country, and it was totally depend on the teachers that how he want to be taught their students. Education was given through the pathshalas or the madrasas, means these were the types of the schools by which the education was provided at that time. Books were not fixed at that time, to that we can say no prescribed textbooks. Teaching was imparted orally, means the written method was not followed by the teachers. Whatever they want to be taught to their child, for that they were using the oral method. No fixed curriculum. It's mean the curriculum was not fixed, or it depends on the desire or the need of the teacher. The popular subject which was taught at that time to the students, that were Sanskrit, Persian or mathematics. Means these were those subjects to whom teacher thought that these subjects were important or may played an important role in the life of a child. Then the subject not taught, that were a science or geography. Means these subject at that time was not important in our country, and these were not a part of the education of students. No system of exam. Nowadays, as we know that the students are evaluated through the exam system, but when Britishers was not controlling to our country at that time, the exams were not taken of the students, and the students were evaluated as per the desire or as per the need by the teacher only. Thank you.